Hey cookie creators and lovers alike, I'm Gabby. Happy Father's Day to all those amazing dads, including mine. Hi Dad! Most dads would find no better way to spend the day than on the golf course. So today on the Cool Cookie Show, we're making some golf cookies. For my golf ball, I'll start by flooding it in a white. For my soft piping consistency icing, I'm using a number 1 Ateco tip. And for my 15-second consistency flooding icing, I'm using a number 2 Wilton tip. Now before this flooding dries, I'm going to go in with a gray color, as well as another layer of white, to give the effect of the indents in the golf ball. This ball is all done and ready to tee off. For my golf course cookie, I'm going to start by flooding a circle, which will be the green of the hole. For my soft piping consistency icing, I'm using a number 1 Ateco tip. And for my 15-second consistency flooding icing, I'm using a number 2 Wilton tip. Now let this flooding dry for 6 to 12 hours before I go in with some piping and sprinkles to add a grass element. These sprinkles are little round balls to give the effect of grass. To see the type I use, check out the details below this video. For my golf polo, I'm going to start by flooding the entire cookie in the white, excluding a small strip in the middle. For my soft piping consistency icing, I'm using a number 1 Ateco tip. And for my 15-second consistency flooding icing, I'm using a number 2 Wilton tip. I'll let this flooding dry for 6 to 12 hours before I add additional flooding and final details. I've used a food coloring marker in the collar to create a clear guideline for myself. This shirt's all done and looking sharp. If you made cookies for your dad, what type would they be and why? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, Click subscribe as well as the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. In the meantime, here are some other videos you may enjoy. Thanks so much for watching the Cool Cookie Show. Till next time, stay sweet.